Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share your screen with Claude AI in 2026. So first of all, you need to come here on Claude AI, then simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here, if you are using a free plan, you will see the option of upgrade or get pro plan that is available here. So you need to make sure that the version that you are using of Claude AI or the connected platform supports screen sharing. This particular feature may only be available on the certain plans and most probably in the Pro and the Max plan. So screen sharing is typically easier through a desktop browser or the application. So you need to launch Claude and then open the conversation or workspace where you want to use the screen sharing features. So here when you click on the option of this plus icon, you are going to see the option of screen sharing over here in this particular section. So depending on the platform updates, this may appear near the attachments or the advanced tools. Now your browser or operating system may request permission to share your entire screen or any specific application window or browser tab. So you need to choose the appropriate options based on what you want Claude to view. Now, once the permissions are granted, Claude can assist by analyzing the visible content, guiding tasks, and helping troubleshoot the issues based on your shared screen. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.